guys? Another watch, another day. Meron tayong client ngayon, mag-asawa. Pare, isusurprise yung asawa niya. Hello, sir! Sir, nagbablog lang kami na lahat ng papasok dito, ha? Hi!
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Wife ko.
Gail.
Kamusta pa? Hi, Ma'am Gail. Please have a seat. Kamusta, ma'am? Saan pa kayo galing, sir?
Bulacan.
You guys had your lunch na? Are you sure? Do you
Yeah.
like anything else?
No.
Coffee, water. Paano naman ako ng dalawang water bowl? Ma'am, bakit pag parang sumisilip ka sa akin? Parang, bakit?
We have another meeting kasi scheduled today.
Anong meeting yun, sir?
Kasi this is supposed to be a surprise.
Ah!
Because I'm getting her the anniversary gift, di ba?
Oo, alam mo na, ma'am. Na-surprise ka ba? Hindi.
Actually, yeah. Schedule talaga kami. Kanina pa ako naiinis kasi
Ang tagal.
3 p.m. yung schedule namin. So,
Kaya nga eh, sabi nga ni sir, umiikot-ikot lang eh. Hindi ka nag-aantay na ako. Sabi ko, hayaan mong mas mainis pa si ma'am. Para mas masaya siya mamaya. So, ma'am, may choice siya, meron ka rin pwedeng choice. So, his choice already was this one. This is a Datejust. The color of money. Mint green, Datejust 36mm. Reference nito is 126200. And this is year 2022. Bago pa and still under warranty na Rolex. Don't worry then kasi may warranty rin sa amin na 1 year. Now this comes complete set, box papers, Oyster 36mm. First Rolex mo na?
yeah.
How about you, sir? Tag. So inuna mo si madam?
Yes.
Setting example mo.
Shit ni boss, no?
What do you think? Would you like to try it on?
Okay. Yeah, yes.
I guess. Masaya ka ba o hindi? Sige, I'll take this. I'd like you to try this one.
Favorite color niya?
Favorite color mo?
Yeah.
Really? Would you actually check any of the options here? Pero si sir, yan
Basta
una
checks
niya.
niya, I don't know.
No, you have to be
Yeah.
yung pinaka-happiest ka. Kaya that's why sir actually asked us to bring a couple
So
of
we don't
watches
have
pa.
a meeting today.
Ito na yun. Ako ang ka-meeting nyo.
Okay. Kasi I'm planning to get him a watch.
Ah, inunahan ka!
Yeah.
Nagkaunahan.
Kasi-
Maganda yan, unahan, hindi sumbata, di ba? Kailan ang anniversary nyo?
Sa Saturday. Sunday.
How many years na?
11 years.
11 years.
Yeah.
Tagal na. Congratulations. What's the secret of staying together for 11 years?
Happy life, happy life.
Ah, ganun ba yun? Ah, tama nga. Kaya mo pala. Wait nga, mag-shopping nga ako para sa mas cheap pa yan, yes. Kasi these are, the 31s right now are quite hefty in prices. Mas konti yung production ng 31. Actually, I think this is a good price kasi we got it in a good price. Kaya we're offering it in a good price. But however, in the market, a mint green kasi is really medyo premium ang price talaga ng mint green. And that's your favorite color.
Yeah.
So shall we do that?
Then siya na din pumili. So, I guess.
Yeah. So we're selling that for 589. I think we already have an agreed price.
Already sent like 550.
Yes, 550.
Really?
Ang kulang
Where
na
did you get that?
lang. Oh, secret. Hindi na namin sasabihin.
Hindi ko alam kung paano niya to nabayaran kasi I handle the finances ng business.
Nakakakupit si boss. Hindi mo alam, ma'am. Ako lang na because we settled for 565. Tama? Take your hands. Straight na. Done. Sir, congratulations Grabe. Ma'am, may dandil hoodie ka. Kanino mo bibigay? Kay sir o sa'yo?
Sa ano, yung pang toddler namin, please.
Okay.
14-month-old meron.
14-month-old?
14-month, sir, no?
Yeah.
Bibigyan ko rin yung 14th-month-old nyo. Pero isa sa inyo, makaka-receive din ng isa pang dandil hoodie.
Sa akin na may relo, akin na lang yung hoodie.
Yun! Okay lang, ma'am?
Yeah,
O,
of
sige. Bigyan mo ng hoodie, pare. Ha? And of course, you get also 10,000 gift certificate from Doc Sheena. You can go and magpa-pamper day ka pa kay Doc Sheena. Walang problema yan.
Tsaka alam ko meron ka pang binibigay. Mobile card.
Mobile card kay sir.
Talaga?
5,000 gift certificate from mobile card. So,
Sabi ko sa'yo,
any Apple products that you want, you get 5,000 discount sa
Buti
kanila.
sinama kita dito.
Yun! Mas kabisado pa niya, boss! So, meron kayong toddler for toddler. And then, this is your hoodie. Our new colorway. Thank you, boss.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
thank you,
maraming
thank
salamat.
you, thank you.
Thank you po. Ingat po sila. Bye-bye. Congrats!